a very successful first 5 years. We've established many of our operating principles, including a single strategy for the entire organization, and most important, the personal relationships that we develop among our researchers. This enables the close, intimate working relationship that is now standard in JCESR culture.
I'm excited that we were renewed and that our focus is now shifted, learning from the first 5 years where we tried to understand what it would take to make a better battery, to now being able to focus in on transformative materials with the information informed from our first 5 years.
We will focus on the very fundamental science in the next 5 years, and those are the fundamental science that really will get us to make huge advancements in the energy storage science.
Such as the ability to control and predict exactly how a material is made and it forms into the compound that you need at multiple levels, and also the ability to track how atoms move within structures in conditions that are relevant to what a battery would do ultimately.
This meeting brings everybody together, all 150 of us, for the first time in the renewal, and it's an exciting meeting to be at.
There is no replacement for direct human interaction.
It's always better to sit in person, and then we talk to each other, and then that way we understand each other much better, not only scientifically, but socially also.
You're in this room with 100, 150 other people, you're all working towards the same goal. It's easy to get excited when you see that sort of momentum, that sort of community evolving around a common goal. It's a great way to start the program, and it carries over for several months as we break up into our smaller groups. That momentum carries us and helps us, I think, become successful.
A sample that I work with is going to be measured for the first time, for example, or it's going to be predicted by the theorists for the first time. So I'm really excited about working with new materials and new concepts and new ideas.
There's an opportunity in 2.0 to impact a whole new generation of students and really position the United States in a leadership position in terms of enabling the next energy revolution.
We're thinking about generating fundamental concepts of chemistry and materials that I think are going to be long-lasting in the community, and that wouldn't be possible if we didn't have this synergism between different areas of knowledge.
I can hear nothing but buzz in the background at the coffee breaks and the lunch breaks, and I see people talking excitedly in the hallways. To me, this is the most promising thing about the renewal.